a couple times a year, I like to repot everything, or at least the plants that look like they could benefit from a little repotting. Hey guys, it's Natalie, sitting here with
Aaron.
who I'm married to.
It's true.
This terrarium was starting to have mildew issues, so I wanted to salvage what I could. Oh, that one bit it. Ugh, it split. It's so heartbreaking when a baby succulent just bites it. This little duck I got at Glover Pharmacy in the mid-90s. So exciting when they are bigger than you think they're gonna be. That one bit it too. That's so sad. Do you see how sad my eyes are? So guys, don't give up if you're like, I can't do it with succulents. The first succulents we bought together, we killed them in a matter of 2 weeks, yeah? The point is, we've killed a lot of plants that were near and dear to us. And we still have plants because you just don't give up, you just get more. The soil mix that I have developed that seems to work for me is just dirt and sand. Different types of sand. I got different types of soil. Just mix them together. Do a little layering for drainage. I think a lot of rocks are helpful. Succulents really like rocks. It is so fun putting everything back in. This is a plant my friend Emily Lapish gave me. Shout out to Emily. I've got a link for her website in my comment section. She's also a photog that went to Covenant. I've been trying to get plants from all of my friends, sort of like instead of friendship bracelets or a friendship necklace, like we can all have plants the other one that a friend has propagated.
I really love that duck.
Right? I just like a little bit of silly.
I love how involved Viola is. You see her constantly coming in and checking.
She was picking out all those rocks. Like, mom used this one, and we used this one, and she has her own succulent that's propagated. So we planted that today too. Those are little yogurt jars that Aaron got me. He ate the yogurt first.
It's true.
He thinks about it. We have little miniature, like sample size Beaumont jars that we've put succulents in. Little mugs.
I'm always finding little things to put succulents in.
I just really like vessels. I've been collecting them my whole life. Garage sales, thrift shops especially. People getting rid of knickknacks they don't need. I like to make them useful.
You can very much grow a succulent into anything that will hold a bit of soil.
Yeah. One of my favorites right now is an ashtray. It's a really cute Art Deco ashtray that I have a succulent growing in.
Oh, yeah. I always forget about that one.
Punch glasses here.
Mm-hmm.
Because my thing is, like, I love this stuff and I love using it, but if I'm not going to use it and I still want to have it around, I feel like it should be doing something other than just collecting dust. So let's make oxygen. Let's make oxygen with our knickknacks. That's what I like to do.
You look funny.
I'm like really, do you see how focused I am?
Yeah, you're picking over everything. I like it.
This is like super concentrated, Natalie.
Very intense. You had done a photo shoot earlier today.
Yeah, and I got like 2 hours of sleep, so
It's incredible.
something about putting your hands in soil. It's just really good for your brain. And maybe a little bit for my face, since I've got a little on my face there too.
Just gently exfoliates.
See, I put some of my plant from my Covenant friend in my Covenant mug, because my Covenant mug broke. Every Covenant student gets a Covenant mug at graduation, and mine broke last year, and it was like literally one of the most heartbreaking things of my adult life, because I spent a lot of time and energy and money for that freaking mug. So thankfully I have a really handy husband who was able to super glue it back together so I could plant things in it. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome. It's my pleasure. And there's that pipsqueak.
She's really excited because she can blow bubbles now.
Yeah. It's an important thing for childhood.
Oh, there's the ashtray. I haven't had luck with the string of pearls yet. Like, I keep killing them. Look, I've got dirt on my face.
Yeah, you did. She cleans up nice.
I don't know if this is a good idea or not, but I found this and I want to try this because I keep killing my spider plants because where I want to keep them doesn't have enough light, but the succulents need light more, so I'll let you know how that goes. I mean, I'm a little bit disbelieving how many succulents I have out here. My goal is to always have enough succulents around to be able to grab one as like a hostess gift or give them away for birthdays. Presents. I love giving gifts.
Yeah, it's definitely a love language for you.
I want to try to get them to grow through the shells. I think that would be so cool. I've had that one shell in the front since I was a kid. I got that at Venice Beach. It's like the only seashell that I've kept from my childhood. All the other seashells my husband collected.
Yeah, I did that near St. Augustine in Florida.
So Mrs. Thompson, who, if you follow me at all, you know is like my horticulture godmother and neighbor growing up. She gave me these big Christmas cacti, and they've been sitting out on the porch all summer. It's time. So, because I'm not really good at doing anything without making a huge mess, that's what we did. Then I took a bath. Because I was covered in dirt. This container was one of our first Valentine's gifts that you got for me after we got married. You put a pussy willow tree in it, and it was beautiful, and that died.
Yes, it did.
And then we put succulents in it, and those died.
Yes, it did.
But you know what? A lot of things haven't died. It's shallow, though, so I put plants in it, and then I need to move them to, like, deeper things. So I was thinking that the Christmas cactus would probably work pretty well, because it's doesn't need that much depth.
We're always finding new and interesting containers to kill things in.
Yeah, yes. Oh, jeez. Yeah, if you think we have a lot of plants now, if you had just seen all the ones we've killed. This beautiful banana tree, which looks like it's probably not going to make it, but whatever, we're going to try, is from my cousin Matthew, who has just handfuls of green thumbs. Like,
it's like Shiva of green thumbs.
yeah, like he opens his hand and like plants come out like Tafiti and Moana.
Yeah, that's true.
I need to get him up here to like bless my plants. So that looks cute. Oh my gosh.
You did it.
Well, hopefully everything will mostly live through the winter. I'll get a few more grow lights. We'll see.
Better to be mostly dead than all dead.
Oh my gosh. And look at all those plants I still need to put in the ground. I can do it. We can do it.